Hey guys, I'm showing you this hotel towel rack. It is a with towel bars, and this is a Bethom towel racks for bathroom, wall mounted, 3-tier towel shelf for bathroom. So let me just open the box and show you this assembly as well as all the parts. So as you can see that this comes with this metal rods that you need to assemble, comes in a really small pack that you need to assemble as non, and there are two different thickness of these pipes and you have to put in one so to make reach to that length. So I will just show you one thin one, one thick and one the normal one, and then I will show you the adjustment. So they are the two side racks thing. So all the screws and tools are provided, so that is easy to assemble. So you have to be careful, like this thin on one goes like from the corner to starting, and then the front one will be the thick one. So slowly it will be assembled like from both sides. With the assembly thing, and the good thing is that you can give like the way you want all these 3 tier, and this is a sturdy, two screws fixed or firmly fixed thing, so it's solid, and wider countertop thing, so that can easily goes on it. And once it's assembled, I can show this is our wide spacing and a 23-inch total bath towel bar in the bottom. So after assembly you can see like the towel bars, and then is a wide spacing thing that can easily be used, and you can put it on the wall with the supplied screws. That's how it looks and hold the towels and things very nicely. So this is a great thing for the shelf that you can put, and even for the towel for the quick drying and utility. So 3-tier wide spacing, easy to use, easy to clean.